On my last class, I gave you an information for taking your English class on articles. So I shall take up your English class on articles, and I shall take up 3 classes on your articles. Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. On Part 1, I shall teach you on a and an. On Part 2, I shall teach you on the uses of definite article. And on Part 3, I shall teach you with reference to question paper. So, think over my teaching very deeply. What are indefinite articles? We know a and an are indefinite articles because a and an do not show anything clearly. This is why a and an are indefinite articles. On the other hand, article the or definite article shows anything or person clearly, directly. Now, I shall find out the uses of a and an by sounds, because a and an are determined by sounds. A and an are determined by vowel sounds or consonant sounds. When a is determined by consonant and an is determined by vowel sound, such as a doctor, a union, a university, a house, a European. Come to the point. Here, a doctor. You mark the word doctor. This is a word, and the initial letter is the. What is initial letter? Initial letter is the first letter of the word. কোনো শব্দের প্রথম অক্ষরটাকে বলা হয় initial letter. So here the pronunciation, even in our speech or in expression of language, we should mark accent. You see, accent, অক্ষরের উপরে শাসাঘাত. This is accented. So sound D, Dr. D, no vowel sound. Here we can see consonant sound. So this is consonant sound, and that is why a is determined by the sounds consonant sound. A union, a union. You see vowels a, e, I, o, u. Here university or European, eu or university, eu or university. Here in expression on language, even in our speech, even in talking, we observe that, we remark that there is the sound on initial word eu. When the sound is eo, like consonant sound, then we shall use a. Such as a house. A house is consonant sound. Here is accented. Such as there is difference a and an in respect of using, but there is no difference in respect of meaning. So a European, here first initial letter, the first initial letter E, but in respect of pronunciation or expression of language is just like EO. That means in respect of pronunciation, sound ear. That means consonant sound. These are the causes, and for this A is appropriate here. Such as A, university, an umbrella. The initial letter university in respect umbrella. Sound A, umbrella. A sound is appropriate in respect of vowel. This is vowel sound. On the other hand, university, U sound, consonant sound. So, A and N are determined by consonant sound and vowel sound. If the initial letter is determined by consonant sound, we must use A. And if the initial letter of the word is pronounced by vowel sound, then we shall use N. Next, one take a note. Here it was the word and one take a note. One. The initial letter is O. In respect of pronunciation, one take a note. Just like word, W, consonant. Such as initial letter word, woman. Just the beginning of word or woman. Beginning word or initial letter is W. But in respect of pronunciation or in expression of language, even in our speech or even in talkings, we pronounce ua. That means ua. That is why we use A. So here A is determined by consonant sound, and we use here A. Next we come to the point on indefinite article an. An before vowel sound. We use an before vowel sound, that initial letter of the word, such as an as. Here as a vowel and accented A. And we should always follow the pronunciation and expression of language according to vowel. And here A is accented. এর উপরে শাসাঘাত এসেছে. That is why we use an. This is vowel sound. An orange. An orange. Orange. O accented or unaccented. Which is appropriate here? An orange. So here O expression. This is vowel sound. Such as an hour, an hour, an hour, and hotel. The such as in the left side, hotel. Not hotel, but here it is hotel. So S is here omitted. S is not accented initial letter. That is why we use an before the word hotel. So initial letter S is not accented here. It is vowel sound. Such as an umbrella. An umbrella. You see umbrella. Umbrella. First letter U, but in respect of pronunciation it is a sound. That is why we use an. Such as an old. An old. This is vowel sound. But one in this respect we use A. So there is difference between A and an in respect of using. But there is no difference between a and an in terms of meanings. Next, come to the point. Such as house. Such as house. This is a house. An hotel. The same word is. On house. Initial letter is H. On hotel. Initial letter is H. So, in these two words, in respect of meaning, there is no difference. But in respect of using, there is difference. Now, I come to the point and like to describe your topic in details. What are the articles? A, an, and the are the articles. These are adjectives. And these are demonstrative adjectives. Why A and the are demonstrative adjectives? Because demonstrative adjective points out thing or person. On the other hand, article also point out either thing or person clearly or partly. You should always remember the difference between articles and wait for the next class. Thank you very much.